Hi, a quick reminder for you to submit the tax saving proofs before this month. Otherwise, additional TDS will be deducted from your salary and you will get lesser in-hand salary in the month of January, February and March. If you don't want to lose your hard-earned money in tax, then hear me out. I'm Anmol Gupta, a SEBI licensed financial planner and founder of 7 Prosper. I'm conducting a 3-hour live tax saving workshop where I will teach you how to avoid last minute tax saving mistakes that can cost you 20 to 30 lakhs. You will learn 10 plus tax saving strategies to optimize your salary structure and take maximum advantage of allowances. I've helped over 25,000 working professionals like you to save their hard-earned money going into taxes with my tax saving workshop. After attending this workshop, you will be able to decide the right tax regime for yourself, maximize your HRA claim, find right insurance coverage, and find the best investments to fulfill your financial goals. So click on the link below and sign up right now. I'll see you inside the workshop.